Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than.
Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been so long since I've uploaded a cleaning video, but we're just going to jump right into it and stay tuned for a giveaway in this video. It's my first giveaway and I'm so excited to do it, so stay tuned for some more information on that and how you can win something. So first of all, we're going to start off in the kitchen. So I just threw my blooming bath flour into the wash, so that's what we use to bathe Cohen right now. So I'm just tossing that in there, and then I'm just going to clean up the kitchen after I made breakfast for myself this morning. So we're just going to clean that up really quickly, and you'll see that I'm using some different cleaning products in this video, and that's mostly because of this whole virus thing. So I'm using a bit more invasive cleaning products just to be sure that I'm killing any bacteria. So here we are using the Lysol all-purpose cleaner, and this is on the lemon scent, and I really do like this because I love that fresh lemony smell. So I'm gonna use that in here right now, and you'll also noticed at the beginning that I put in a Lysol additive into the wash. So I'm washing that with all of my clothes. It makes me feel a little bit better because Robbie is still working, so he has work clothes that he's bringing home, and could also have the potential of being infected or anything. So making sure that we are taking all the precautions, especially since having a new baby. So let me know in the comments, are you taking a lot of precautions disinfecting at your home? I'm in New Brunswick, so we're doing pretty good here. We are actually opening up the province a bit more, and that's really exciting. So I'm pretty proud to be a New Brunswicker. So you might notice that I have some backsplash now. So this is just a peel and stick that I did on my own, and I did that at the beginning of the quarantine. It was a little difficult at first, but once I got the hang of it, it wasn't too bad. So I just put in my lots of lemon Scentsy oil into the drains and then ran some warm water down the sink, and it just makes everything smell a lot better. So next we're moving into the nursery. So Cohen is in his poo chair. So we call it the poo chair because he sits there with Winnie the Pooh, that's a Scentsy buddy, and he poos in this chair. I don't know if it's just the way that he's sitting, but he always has a poop when he's sitting here. So he's sitting in that, and I am organizing his closet again. He is growing so fast. I feel like every week I'm going through his clothes and taking out the things that don't fit him anymore and adding in some bigger clothes for him to wear. So the bin on the floor there, that's all of the stuff that's too small, so I'm going to pack that away for the next one because I definitely want more babies. So I'm just going to go through this, and then we're going to put him down for a nap.
Take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here, so won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be.
Also, if you haven't already, I do have 2 videos of when I decorated his nursery before he was born, so be sure to check those out. I will link them up in the corner, so go see those. So strange to look back at before he was here and when I was getting ready for his arrival. It's just so strange to think that once upon a time he wasn't here and he was just in my belly. It's crazy to think that our lives have changed so much, and I just absolutely love it. So after a lot of hard work, I've gotten him to nap. So he didn't nap for very long up here, but I am trying to get him to nap more in his crib. He usually naps downstairs in his swing, but I'm going to quickly get some stuff done in the kitchen while he's napping. So this is my fresh produce spray from Norwex. So this, I am cleaning a bunch of fruit here. My grandmother got me a fruit basket for Mother's Day, for my first Mother's Day, so I'm going to go through and clean all of the fruits here so that they're nice and clean, and I'm trying to be healthier, so I'm going to put them in a bowl on my table, which kind of worked out perfect. I want them to be visible where I can just grab them, and it really has been working. I've been eating a lot more apples than I ever have before. So if you heard at the beginning, I do have a giveaway, so you'll see that I'm also scrubbing my fruits with this cloth. This is also Norwex cloth. So I am going to do a giveaway for an Eat Clean kit with Norwex. It's worth $99.95. So it comes with 2 dishcloths, dishwashing liquid, countercloths, veggie and the fruit scrub cloth that I'm using, and the fresh produce spray that I'm using. So to get entered to win that, you have to like and subscribe and comment below, and I want you to tell me how you're cleaning during quarantine. Are you cleaning at all? Are you cleaning more because of, the virus and everything? Let me know if you're working really hard at that or if you're being a little lazy. And be sure to share with your friends and family so that they can get entered to win as well. And I'm going to do the draw a week from the day that I'm uploading. So I'm uploading on May 21st. I'm going to do a random draw on the 28th, which is my birthday, so I figured it was pretty fitting. Get commenting and liking and subscribing, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. I so appreciate it. I love doing this, being home and being able to do something that I enjoy. So thanks guys for all of your support.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't kid around. But there's something about you I like, about you I like. You're crazy for saying I should slow down, but maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about.
So I'm cleaning in the living room now. I just tidied up Cohen's little area. Now I'm going to clean in the living room. So I'm dusting and I am using Pledge. So I had sent Robbie to the store to get some Pledge one day, and he came back with this one. It's a different scent. It's like, I can't remember what it's called, but when I first sprayed it, I thought, this does not smell right. It kind of smells like an old man. Not so much like, it kind of smells like an old study, like you think like leather and stuff like that. That's what I think of when I smell this. So this is the stuff that I'm using to dust. And I'm also going to vacuum the couch. I'm trying to vacuum the couch more often because the dogs have been getting up there. And that pillow that you see, I just keep that down here because I'm using that for breastfeeding right now. So it's not really the prettiest thing in the living room, but that's what we've got. And you'll see I'm using my new Dyson. So I bought a new Dyson. My old one did stop working great. Like, it still works, but you can tell the suction's not quite there anymore, and I've already had the motor replaced once. It was 10 years old, so I figured it was time for an upgrade. So this is a brand new one, and the thing that I love is it comes with an adapter, so I can still use my pieces to my old one, because my old one was an animal Dyson and it came with special tools for cleaning animal hair. So this one is just a multi-floor Dyson, so I can still use my animal pieces. And also, if you wanted to, you could just get this Dyson and you can actually purchase the special pieces separately on the Dyson website. I have got replacement pieces on there already, and I really love their website, and the customer service is great. So I love my Dyson. I swear by it. So I'll link the one that I have below if you are interested in getting one for yourself.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been.
And that's gonna be it for this video. So if you guys liked it, please like and subscribe, and when you do so, you will get entered to the draw. Well, you also have to comment. So do that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!